embers flying everywhere. Hi there. How many more horses do you have?
We have a couple we just let loose over there. We're trying to get as many as we can out. Yeah.
Are any homes out there on fire?
Honestly, I did not pay attention. I just drove straight to the barn to get my horses out and get the rest of these guys out. We're not just gonna let them burn.
We got a bunch out with trailers, and there's a bunch in there still.
How many more?
We don't know. I don't know how many. How many did you let out?
We took about 4 of them in trailers, 2 in the separate trailer, 3 in another one. So there should be at least maybe 12 plus.
About 12? Are there more people out there right now?
It's a whole
We
bar.
looked down and down to get pizza, and I got, let's see. So there's 4, 2, 3, what is that, 9?
How are these horses doing?
11, 12. There's 12. Yeah, no, they're pretty wired up. Yeah. They're getting used to it now, but when the wind's blowing and the embers are, they don't really know what to do at first.
Have you seen anything like this? Look at that hillside.
Yeah, I've rescued before.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Please be safe.
Yeah, thank you. You be safe too.
Yeah. I think, Joab, we're going to have to end up moving because I could see all of the firefighters that were stationed at this location and the police officers. They already left. And again, this is New York Boulevard. Altadena is up here, and this is Bradley. And the building that is very close to being on fire, and it may be before the end of the night,